want to show you how you can be able to use your phone to create a working UK TikTok account without VPN in just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh, I want to show you how you can be able to get a functional TikTok account. Now, why is a UK TikTok account important? It is important because 90% of the Nigerian content creators on TikTok are not earning money directly from TikTok. Why is it so? It is so because Nigeria is not eligible for TikTok partnership monetization program. So if you like, you have 1 million views, 1 million followers, 1 million subscribers on TikTok, you are not earning shishi from it. The only way they earn money from it is based on brand views and the rest. So imagine having 300 million views and you are not even getting a cent from that particular video. And if you are really serious in starting your content creation journey, then getting a functional UK TikTok account is the best deal. It is one of the best things you can do for yourself. And if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Basi Ejoba, and in my channel I create helpful and relatable content like this to help people who are still trying to figure out their way, especially in the content creation journey. So please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I'll drop helpful videos like this. And to show you how I'll be able to create this UK TikTok account, I will be using my phone to screen record to show you the step-by-step way. So make sure you get your pen and paper, write down all the steps, and immediately you finish watching this video, create your account and let me know in the comment section. So let's go. The very first thing you do is for you to go on to any browser of your choice. Right, for me I use Google Chrome, but if you are using Firefox, if you are using Safari, anyone you use, right, best known to you, right? And you dial in this keyword known as tiktok.com, tiktok.com. Now if you have the app, right, we don't need the app. We don't actually need the app to do what we want to do, right? We don't actually need the app for we to do what we want to do. So this is the TikTok website. What you do is you click on profile. You see where there's a profile, you click on that profile and it asks you to log into TikTok. So we just click on log in. Yes, we want to log into TikTok. All right, we want to log into TikTok. So this is what is going to show us now. But at this point in time, we don't have a TikTok account because we are looking for a UK TikTok account, which we don't have. Right, so we are going to click on don't have an account, which is what? Sign up. We want to click on sign up because we don't have an account. So you can use your phone number or your email. You can continue with Facebook, or you can continue with Google, or you can continue with what? Apple, right? It says, now if you look at the bottom, this is where it changes everything. It says, by continuing with an account that is located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of services and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy. Now this particular account, if by adventure or by mistake you create this account is going to be located in Nigeria. But we are not looking for a Nigeria TikTok account, because if you are looking for a Nigeria TikTok account, then we can just go ahead and create an account. So what you do is you click on where you see that Nigeria, click on where you see Nigeria, and you are going to see this drop down menu, right? You are going to see countries from Bahamas to Bangladesh to Barbados to Belarus and the rest. So you scroll down to where you are going to see the United Kingdom, right? United Kingdom. So scroll down to United Kingdom, right? So this is United Kingdom. Click on United Kingdom and click on what? Done. Right? So at this point in time, you find out that it has changed. By continuing with an account that is located in the United Kingdom, you agree to our terms and what services. Now we sign up using our email. Right? We are going to be signing up using our email. So we just choose a random date. You can choose your birth date, but for the purpose of this class, I'm going to be using just a random birthday. Right, so this is the birthday. So I'm not going to use my phone number. I'm going to move on to my email address. Now if you look at this, you are going to see that by continuing with an account that's located in the United Kingdom, right? So I'm going to use, so this account I just created is of TikTok, right? From TikTok. Let me see the account. Let me see I can get the account. It's a new account I just created. So let me see I can get the name. I created the account for the purpose of this class, right? So of TikTok at gmail.com, right? So I click on get trending content newsletter. After that, you'll be asked to create your password. So any password you create, you know that's something for you. So you must create a password that is not known by anyone. So let me use this at, yep, all right, it's going to be just for me. Right, so I click on sign up. So now a code will be sent to this particular TikTok account. A code will be sent to this particular TikTok account. So this I should do this. Select two objects that are of the same shape. Right, we have M and we have M here. Right, so we click on confirm. Yes, it's confirmed. So we are waiting for a code that is going to be sent to this particular TikTok account. So most of the time I advise people to create a fresh email for this. Right, so I'm waiting for the email to be sent to this particular account. Right, still waiting for the email. So let me see how, let me minimize to check whether I've gotten a mail from TikTok. Right, so let's wait for it. All right, so now this is the code that has been saying 813616. 813616, right? 813616. So we send the code and we allow it to watch open. So that is as easy as it is to create account. So username, let me just use Sakpa Boy. Right, so what I've gotten here is Sakpa Boy 61. Let's just use it for the purpose of this class. There's no time to waste. And click on sign up. You can always change this letter, right? That is one of the most good thing about this, is I can change this letter. Now this is taking me to my TikTok app. Let's see what we have gotten here, right? So this is Sakpa Boy at 61, no videos yet, right? So let's click on here. This is, I believe this is my own. All right, so we are done with all of this. And let me show you that this account is a UK TikTok account. So we just click on tiktok.com. Let's go tiktok.com. Let me show you something. TikTok. Alright, and that is how you can be able to get your working UK TikTok account. Now, most of you are going to find difficulties in the course of creating this particular UK TikTok account. Most of the time, it is because of your phone. So if you can borrow a phone, if you can use your neighbor's phone, or you can just get a phone which you can use at that particular time to create the account and later on transfer the logins to your own phone, then it is going to be better. And if you also need this immediately, maybe a fairness of issues and you need it immediately, then you can chat me up on 070-6246-2746. I charge just 5,000 naira to help you create a working UK TikTok account, and I can also give you content strategies in which you can use to grow on that particular account. Make sure you subscribe so that I can continue getting updates anytime I drop helpful videos like this. Thank you.